came out bomb. What? Who said? Who? I look good. How do I look? I don't even know where to start when it comes to videos. Like, I would just turn on the camera and try to wing it, but I'm not doing a very good job at the moment.
Hi everyone.
I could do this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, for those of you who are new here. Today, I decided that I'm gonna film a makeup tutorial for you guys. I know with the pandemic going on, you can't really go out. But if you want to look good for your little boo thing over FaceTime, you have a Zoom call meeting to attend, just want to look good for you, then keep on watching. As you can see, I already washed my face and did my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna push my hair back a bit so it doesn't bother me while I'm applying foundation. I already did my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my primer. I'm gonna be applying the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer from Smashbox. Here you go. And apply it with just any brush. I don't really use brushes for like their main purpose. I think a lot of people can relate. At least for me, like I don't know what any brush is really used for. I should have done this before applying my primer, but I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lips. You can use anything. I'm using Vaseline's Lip Therapy in Rosy. It's like a nice rosy color, gives the lips like this natural pinkish shade. So now that I applied the primer, I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and it's kind of watery, I'm not gonna lie, so you want to be careful. I meant you want to be careful when you open it, because I'm the only dummy that wears white while doing their makeup. I'm gonna go in with my Kipo 0W brush from It Cosmetics. It's just like a nice angled flat brush, and I'm gonna dab that foundation in and apply it to my face. I'm gonna go in with this full coverage concealer. Everybody knows which one I'm talking about. So I'm gonna apply some to my under eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna skip to powder, and I'm gonna be setting my face with the Banana Light loose powder from Revolution. Here you go. This is what it looks like. I like to keep my powder in this KKW box, but you can use any box. I don't know how unsanitary that is or whatnot, but it's how I keep my vanity and everything around me clean, because there have been instances where I would use my loose powder and it's so loose. Too loose. I'm gonna go in with my Banana Light. I'm just gonna apply that with a nice big powder brush. Sorry. I'm gonna go in with Real Techniques powder brush, and I'll be applying that and buffing it into my skin. I'm using Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm gonna go in and blend my foundation, make sure that the powder has set nicely into the skin, and yeah. So you can go in with whatever brush. I'm using Morphe's M536 brush. Dab some loose powder onto my lids, because now I'm going to apply some liner. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some tape. You can use any tape, but the one that I'm using is washi tape, I think. It is so helpful. I appreciate using tape because I can make sure that the wing is symmetrical and sharp as fuck. This is a natural everyday makeup look, so I already overstepped, you know, trying to do winged liner. So I'm gonna go in with brown instead of black because black seems too dramatic. I just want a softer everyday look. So, and I'm gonna start from the end towards the middle. You see that? So when you take it out, it's gonna be sharp as fuck. I think I'm done. So now I shall commence removing the tape. Approved. Approved. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some black crayon and I'm going to apply some on my upper waterline. What else am I gonna do? Okay, so I'm sorry that I'm like all over the place. I normally apply bronzer before my eyeliner, but I got a little bit too excited and did the liner first. So no worries, I can still salvage this look. So I'm gonna go in with a regular blending brush. I'm using Morphe's M441. And I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm using Estee Lauder's Bronze Goddess. I'm gonna go in and just swiftly apply some clean brush. So I'm going in with a clean brush and just blending that out. Please, please, please. If you're in doubt, blend that shit out. Just blend everything out, and it doesn't matter how messy you get with the bronzer. You're gonna go in with some baking powder anyways later on. So yeah, like I said, you're gonna go in with some baking powder and a sponge. You're gonna chisel your nose, all right? Nobody got time or money for a nose job, so here you go. Start off from the very like inner corner and then work your way down. See? Oh no. Right, and then you're gonna put like a dot on the very, you know, tip of your nose and the bridge, because that is where you're gonna highlight next. That's good enough. Now we're gonna curl our eyelashes. Actually, why am I struggling here? Like, just now going in with my KKW Beauty Mascara, I'm just gonna apply some to my lashes. Always start with your bottom lashes and then your top. Some, let me see. Oh, just letting y'all know, I usually wait until the end before removing all of my baking powder. So I'm just gonna move on, and I know, this is a natural makeup look. And you can stop here. Nobody is holding a gun to your head telling you you have to apply lashes. You don't have to do this step. You can completely skip it and fast forward to the end if you'd like. But since I am Little Miss Extra, I'm gonna apply lashes. Sue me. I already made an eyelash tutorial, so go ahead and click on that after this video, and I'll be right back. Bitch, I'm a new woman. Alright, so let's continue the makeup tutorial. I'm going in again with some baking powder and applying it to my brow bone. And now for the main event. Wipe off your nose powder. Okay. I like my blush. See how I'm getting carried away? This is supposed to be natural. So yeah, I'm just gonna pass some on the bridge of my nose, some on my cheekbones. The goal here is to make me look like a really cutesy look. You know what I'm saying? Again, I'm gonna go in with my buffing brush and blend that in. I didn't even apply bronzer. What am I doing with my life? I'm so disappointed in myself. Now that that's done, again, buff that shit out. Again, we're gonna cut those cheekbones, because who needs surgery? Who needs surgery when you got cosmetics? Excuse me. Humble yourself, Emily. Humble yourself. So I'm gonna go in with some clear mascara so I can hold my eyebrows into place. So I think we're done. Buff, 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 buff. Damn, Emily, you did it again. You did it again. We're gonna need some lip color, right? So we're gonna prime them with that same Vaseline that I put on earlier using the shade Sellout. So I'm gonna go in with Too Faced's Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is my holy grail. I don't need no lip kits. I don't need no lip liner. Like, the formula is just chef's kiss. Okay, so last but not least, you always want to set your face. So I'm gonna go in with Morphe's continuous setting mist, right? I'm just gonna do that. So yeah, this is what my everyday makeup look consists of. If you like it, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and don't forget to click that notification bell button so you're always notified for every video that I upload. Intros and outros are so awkward, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. I love you so much from the bottom of my corazón. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. I love you. This came out bomb.